Mapel sang komunidad sa pagpasiguro nga wala sa nagalapta nga basura. Gani sa Aklan, inyang ginimuan sang paagi sang grupo nga Aklan Trekkers. Ang ila estilo, ginaganyat ang pumuluyo nga ang mga basura, ilabi na ang mga plastic, ang himuon nga eco bricks. Ang pagpaninghuha sang pumuluyo ang mayara naman sang kabaylo, grocery items nga depende sa kadamuon sang mahimo nga eco bricks. Ano naman bala sini ka-epektibo? Ang inspirasyon sa likod sining proyekto aton hibaluon.
Mga kapuso, makapunta sa mga aga ang co-founders ng Aklan Trekkers, si Ritchel Cahilig. Ritchel, good morning.
Good morning.
Tell us about Aklan Trekkers. Ano ning inyong organisasyon and what are you doing and what are your advocacies?
Aklan Trekkers is a non-governmental organization based in Aklan, composed of mountaineers, travelers, and volunteers. So we have three main causes. One is promotion and sustainable development of local tourism. Two is environmental consciousness, conservation, and protection. And three, upland outreach missions to last mile schools and remote indigenous communities.
May mga programa daw kamo that help address problema sa basura sa inyo community. Can you tell us more about this?
We have this long-running project. We started this last January 2020, immediately after Typhoon Ursula. The Basura Bailo Bugas, or Eco Brick Exchange to Rice Package. It is an eco-bricking and eco-building campaign for remote coastal and upland communities. There are communities like Belize in Buruanga and Asog in Malay that are emerging tourist destinations and have irregular garbage collections. So doon po kami pumapasok. We thought na ang pag-introduce ng eco brick to them will address their present and future plastic pollution problem. At the same time, nagpo-promote siya ng yung creative and innovative recycling na pwede silang gumawa ng structures.
What are your plans for the future, especially for the eco bricks? What structure or what you want to build using those eco bricks?
For the eco build, if we meet the desired number of eco bricks already, meron kaming napag-usapan, for example, with Barangay Naasog, the council, because we were invited during their session, they want to come up with a structure na gagawin nilang attraction because they are emerging tourist destination. So like for example, they have this banner na tourism banner na wow na Asog. So we want to have that structure, wow na Asog. But I believe we need to come up with at least 500 eco bricks.
From the whole experience so far, no? What did you learn? What did you realize, no? From the whole experience, what is important in what you're doing?
Aside sa relief na nabibigay mo sa tao, napakasarap pakinggan yung stories nila. They're very, very funny because sometimes yung kwento nila is, Ma'am, nag-aagawan na po kami ng basura at naubusan na daw ng basura, ng plastic yung barangay. They show na isang sako ang nailalagay nila sa loob ng isang eco brick. Imagine. So when we pull out 100 eco bricks from one community, for example, that's 100 sacks. Remarkable always is yung lasting effect niya sa buhay mo as a volunteer. So along with teaching, it's my source of happiness. So I think that's one thing we shared among volunteers.
Finally, your message to the people you're helping, to the communities that have responded positively and have been challenging you. Meron din ganun yung mahirap rin to reach out. No? What's your message to all of them? In a sense, ano bang rason, ba't ginagawa natin to lahat?
My message to the people who are supporting us and also to our beneficiaries, patuloy lang po tayo because with eco-bricking, we believe na we get to secure the plastics from degrading into toxins and microplastics that go to our oceans and waterways. Also, this is an initiative that can help the local government for they are able to save budget in garbage collection and conserve spaces in landfills. So, ito ay maliit lang siya pero napakalaki ang impact. So, I hope na this touches you and will help you come up of your own in your respective communities. Let's all together do something while we are cutting waste to cut plastics totally out of our lives.
So, Ma'am Ritchel, saan mo yung tulong ko this year? Tulong ko not only in terms of resources, baka one of these days I could be there personally to volunteer in your advocacy, Ma'am Ritchel. Thank you very much and sana bigyan pa kayo ng lakas and determination to continue what you're doing.
Thank you, attorney, for pledging a donation to our next na conduct of EcoBricks exchange. That would be on January 16 na. So I hope you can come, and thank you GMA Regional TV for featuring us together. Let us be Eco Warriors.
Yan, wonderful. Thank you very much, Ma'am Ritchel. Mga kapuso, ato nakilalaan si Ritchel, ang co-founder sa Aklan Trekkers. No? Ang namin lang sa inactivity ni, we know naman ang problema sa basura. But sometimes, it helps really to get the community involved. It also helps to have a unique idea, one that will trigger the imagination, the creativity, and the appreciation of people para masustain and para maganahan ng tao and will arouse their interest to really helping, especially if the advocacy is as important as solid waste management. Dugang impormasyon ka Good Vibes sa pagbaliksang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.